Okay, hope you guys liked it. How was it, Islam? Do you liked it, Islam? How
I
was
did
it?
like it. I did like it. I did like it. It was
Okay,
quite
good.
easy and simple enough.
Okay, okay. RJ, how was it? How was it? You can write in the chat box. Our today's session. Gemini, you can also write it. Ross, how was the today's session? Thank you. Thank you very much. So no need to worry. We will be going by step as I told. Yeah, Islam, you have any query? You can ask. No problem. Anyone can ask.
I was asking
Yes.
about the about this course. Did at the end of the course I will be able to use Python in image processing and to connect cameras into server or something like that with Linux?
Yes. See. Good question. Excellent question. So the thing is that here you are learning the foundation of any of the programming language. The things which you will be learning over here, which will use in any of your programming. If anything is there, if you want to develop any kind of a image processing, as you have given a brilliant example, so in those, how you will implement it, how you will write your ideas, in those writing your ideas into a system, you required a tool or you required a programming language. There the Python will play a role, a huge role over there. So with help of writing how to create a function, all those things you are going to learn over here. So that Python, you will be there, you are going to use only and only Python over there. Okay, so you have a brilliant idea how to implement in the scenario of software, or how you will be writing a programming. In that case, what all things you will be learning over here are going to useful over, are the only one going to be useful. And once a person basic or foundation is good, he can create anything. Okay, fine. So excellent. Excellent question by the Ross also, where we can find the recording. So recorded will be, once I disconnect this call, recorded will be presented in the chat box itself. For example, okay, coming to today's recording, you will find in this particular chat box. Okay, here itself you will be finding in the chat box the today's recording. uh, for example, this one, the last we have done. So this one is the last class. So today's same, once we will be disconnecting the call, the recorded will be present over here. One thing is that you yourself can download it, you yourself can check the recording. If suppose you are facing any difficulty, okay, if suppose you are facing any difficulty, then please let me know on my email ID. Okay, this one is there, msatutorpy@gmail.com. Please let me know. I will download it and I'll provide a link to you guys. There also you can see the video. That is also possible. Okay, so everyone can note down my email ID. Okay, msatutorpy@gmail.com, and just start the exciting programming and all those things with a Python, which is the excellent, simple, super simple language right now. We will help you out, and step by step, I will be time to time, I will be guiding you of how to proceed your own goals, which you are already having in your mind right now. So no need to worry, Islam, about processing of an image or capturing any data through your videos, or using a CCTV cameras, or you are creating a data model, or you are analyzing a data, or you are differentiating between some of the images. Many examples are there, and how to implement those examples, you can do yourself once you know the programming language very. Okay, hope the doubts for the Islam has been clear. If anyone else also have a doubt, he or he can ask me, no problem. Okay then guys, I don't know now. It was really nice talking to you guys. You were very interactive, and you were very nice to me. Like in the classes also, you were very interactive, which I like the most. If a person came over here to learn it and he or she is very interactive, so he or she will be learning a lot. So no need to worry, all these things are going to be fine. Okay, it was very nice talking to you guys, and hope I clear all each and everyone's doubt. Okay, thank you very much guys. See you soon. Great, great. Thank you very much. Thank you. Okay. Oh. Okay, thank you very much. Bye bye.